Hey guys, this is Poet Spice. How are you? I am here to show you my December daily 2019 and December daily and beyond, because you know I don't do everything the way I'm supposed to. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. I did a Facebook Live on our December daily Anything Goes group that Susan Hiles, that's her group. So excuse me. Oh my gosh. So I thought I would go ahead and come on here and show you my December daily and do a little flip through. So I started mine on the 17th of November. I usually start either at Thanksgiving or first snowfall, something like that for the last few years. And then I go all the way until January. So that's why I call it December daily and beyond, because it's like half of November, December, and a third of January. So anyway, I created mine using this Tonic die. It's called the Exquisite Envelope Insert Die Set. I love this die. I did not do a tutorial on this one, but if you would like me to, I can, and show you multiple ways to make this. It's originally an envelope die, so you can see how it looks here. And it creates an envelope and a card. Okay, but you can make memory books, you can make pages like I did with mine. So if you're interested in that, you can let me know and I will try to get a tutorial up for that. And so I'm just going to get started because my book is a big chunky monkey. Look at that. It's so lovely. Usually I'd rip apart a book and repurpose it. I've got a video for that, and then I'll go back and, you know, add decorations to add pages and so forth. I use 3.5-inch rings. This time I did not do that. I had intended to, but instead I ended up using that die set. So for my pages, this is my cover page. You see how sturdy that is. So I made 2 of the envelopes out of 110-pound cardstock, and then of course it's got multiple layers, so it comes out pretty sturdy. Yay. So that's what I used. Then the 2 paper pads or paper collections that I've used the most, I have some other stuff in here, but it's a HunkyDory pad, or I should say kit, and also the Paper Boutique, which I showed in hauls. Excuse me. And then odds and ends that go with that. So here's my cover. I showed you how I created that. Then I put a piece here, and I had some little numbers and some bling. So that's that. And it's relatively small because usually I do either 6x9 or 5x7. And this is not that big. This is 5 1/4. Yeah, roughly 5 1/4, 5 1/2 by 6 1/4. So much smaller than I normally use, which is why it's already an alligator mouth. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the pages. So here's the inside cover. I just glued that down. I did some journaling on the 17th, and this is something else that people can do. There were some comments in the group and stuff about they don't have really busy lives or a whole lot of things going on and so forth like that. So you can journal, you can do whatever. So I end up journaling, put in coloring. So here, this is all in the same day. I got this stamp set from Jamie's shop, the Not Too Shabby shop, and I loved it, so I had to color him up. And I put him in here, and then I had her, so I put her in here, and then some leftover stickers, some paper from Authentique. I cut this die shape, and then I have journaling on the back of that. So then here's a piece of the paper kit from HunkyDory. It's a different one. So then here is another journaling spot, and I just put some little stickers that I had left in my stash. It goes over in the back, and I created a pocket, and we put that there. So there's one of the envelope pages. So you can see how that works. I had this sticking in my stash somewhere, and I was like, hey, we'll use it. So you can see how that opens up, and then here's another set here. This was a die that I got from Spellbinders that I was messing with. Excuse me. And then here's this one, and then I have my journaling here. So I just cut out Graphic 45 tags and use that to journal. And we have some journaling here. And I took the tags, right? Cut that out, and then I just added extra on the back so that you could, so I could do some more. So there's this, and you guys know I do digital images. Well, maybe you don't, because I haven't made any new ones for sale for a while. So this was how I was feeling this day. So I took my little digital image out and I put it in here. Oh my God. Then we have a pocket at the top of this page with something on it. And then I have more journaling just on here, but I love these skates. Then here was Thanksgiving. So we have November. And I had some stickers left and so forth. And my grandmother, she's dead. And she's been dead for a long time. But I always miss her, particularly at the holiday times. So then, and you can see how this was a flap from the envelope. So here, Crafter's Companion Peony Die. I need to make some of these because they are so fun. Love them. And then Mr. Man and myself. And a little Graphic 45. It's either Graphic 45 or Authentic. And then some more family pictures. And some more journaling about Thanksgiving. My bad kitties trying to steal stuff. A die cut that I love, because y'all know. And then here we go here. And so you can see my little girl. Some more journaling. A little image that I colored and then I laminated it. And my girl's in the back. My Linda with her one good eye. And as you can see, I've been playing with my HP Sprocket. And then so over here we have another journaling day and my bad kitty. So I was playing with the stuff on the Sprocket. I have to say I do like that. It's so cute. Then here, some more dies that I cut. And then I had this journaling tag just sitting around. So I used it to actually journal on in the back. Stuck it in here. Folded up with Graphic 45 tags so that they would fit. So some more. This is Friday, but this is Thanksgiving as well. So I can put more pictures here. You can see I was playing with my HP Sprocket. This is some trim I got from this page in our swap. Okay, then more journaling here, more journaling over the break. And then here's some pictures that I took. So I had a migraine for 2 days, and those 2 days I just sat around and colored because I couldn't do much. And then we organized the linen closet, which I've been wanting to do, and Mr. Man just started doing it, and I was like, ugh, but we did it anyway. So here's a little envelope, and it's got the Merry and Bright, and I'll decide where I'm going to glue this on, if I even use it in here. For now, I just have it sitting in there. There was a challenge by Susan to do a pocket and sequin page, so I did a shaker page. Woo! So it actually is a shaker. And what I did here was I put tape across the inside, double-sided tape, so that the sequins would stay at the top of the page instead of falling all to the bottom. Then I colored her up, of course, and then here's my little pocket piece. And then on the back we did the same thing. So there's more up here in a pocket piece. So this envelope is done, so that it's all folded up, and there's extra tags in here to journal on. I love this. And then there's like this linen back paper in there. Oh, I love that one. You know, so that just is in here until I need them. Then you have this one here, which has this is a HunkyDory piece. These are pieces that I had cut for a previous December daily and didn't use. So there you go. Cut that shape again, layered it up. Here's this one with the pocket. And then we've got the back piece. And so I used the flap of the envelope to make a pocket on this side. And then the open part of the thing is on this side. So we've got this Tim Holtz die. I love it. It's got a lot of pieces, but it is so cute. And it's huge. You see how big that is? And then some other pieces I got. So I'll just put those in there. So fun. Then we have this piece and flip. Got another envelope. And this one I glued down the front to create a pocket at the top. Top loading. Some other pieces of HunkyDory on top of that. There's that other paper again. And I did this too. These cards I got at Tuesday morning. There you go. I got these at Tuesday morning, and I was going to alter them, and I was like, hey, this works with some of this paper. I'm just going to put that in there, and so I can journal on here, because it's hard to journal on black. You can use a white gel pen, but it's still kind of difficult. So there's this one. I love this page. I don't know why. And so there's the flap for this one. Here's some extra dies for that. My gift cards and so forth. So usually on my December daily, I make a page that has who I'm going to send stuff to. So and then I make this piece just a flap, an extra flap. So who gets what for Christmas. And then here's this piece. And I did the flap thing again. Made the pocket on this side. Left this side blank. And then just added pieces. Here's another one of those cards. See how it just looks so fabulous. I love it. An envelope pocket piece, and there's some extra stuff in there. This is extra in case I needed it. And here's another one of these pieces. I love this. Woohoo! Love it. And then so back here, these will be the pages for Christmas. So I've got Merry Christmas stickers and Christmas and flip flaps again. Okay, so I like this one, how it's got this. The front part becomes a flap, and then this is still open, so you can create a flap, and you can create these and open that up. And what I might do is take another piece of paper here and attach it so that it flips up like that. So there's lots of ways that you can use that envelope die just by changing the way you put it together. So there's that one. Love this one too. This is another one of those I just had to stick in my, stick it in my stash. And then this one, so I just added that bird. Here we go. Another one of those cards. This is some trim from Paige, that same trim, so I just doubled it up. And I was like, I might as well go ahead and use the whole thing because it was only a little bit left. So I want to put that in there. We got the 25. And then you've got this little flap again. Oh, what's wrong with me? I'm really sleepy. Excuse me. And this one here, I love that. Then you've got another page that flips open like this. And the back page, love this. They had a purple page in there that I really wanted to put in my book, but it doesn't, I don't have much purple in here, so it looks kind of weird. But I think I'm going to use it as like an inside tuck because it's lovely. And then, so here's the back cover. And I took two of those envelopes, put them together. Also created this flap, so you have this extra little piece here going on. And then this piece is put down for a pocket. So that is the base page set for my December daily, as well as the first part of the month. Or I should say the last part of November filled in. So let me know if you're doing December daily, and then let us see what you're doing. And then if you would like to join the group for inspiration, I'll try to remember to put that link below if you're on Facebook. And yeah, so have a good day. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and I shall see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See ya.